Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect Christmas food. In fact, what we are going to cook today is going to surprise everybody. As you can see, we all have our ingredients here.
Do you come with 2 teachers?
We have our turkey, we have our fish, we have our tinoero, we have our pomo, and we also have our salt. We have our sonia, the tomato that we are going to use, and we also have our special ingredient, which is sugar.
Hold up. What's going on here?
Afusa, what are you doing? Sebi is that I want to teach my fans how to cook perfect Christmas food. You want to cook or you want to do one tutorial for your fans? Afusa, anything that is called kitchen, don't even bother to near the place. Don't bother yourself, just be resting. I'll be the one to cook. They know everything. Even boiling of water, ordinary water, don't do it. I'll be the one to, just even if I'm sleeping, just wake me up like, Rachel, I need water. I will go and boil water for you. You see this festive period, avoid kitchen, please. So all these ingredients now, is it going to waste? Am I not going to teach them how to cook perfect? Afusa, please come outside. Don't worry, just come outside.
God have mercy upon us.
Don't worry, we'll still come and teach them how to cook plenty things. Just I don't know why you say it's salty now. At least let me use this sugar to sprinkle it. There's no tutorial, you can cut it. Afusa is not teaching anybody, you can just cut it. Cut here. Bye bye.